The judge questions the man's story. He didn't show up for the DNA test and quit a $63,000 job with no solid reason. She calls it out. This doesn't look like being unprepared. It looks like avoiding responsibility. With no test results, she legally declares him the father and sets his monthly child support at $1,220. Case getting intense.
Okay, Miss Sultan, you're back. And I see that you got, dad or potential father. Sir, what's your name, sir?
My name is Stephen Pippen.
Mr. Pippen. Okay, you understand why you are here today, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, you know I ordered you to have DNA testing done a month ago.
Yes.
And so we can determine child support, what it's going to be in this case. And I don't have anything from the testing center showing that you showed up, so.
Miss Sultan returns to court with a man claiming he might be the father. The judge's only request last time. DNA test. But he didn't follow through. No proof. No results. The judge isn't impressed, and the tension rises. What happens next? You'll want to hear every word, because the courtroom is about to explode.
I don't have anything from the testing center showing that you showed up. So what's going on with
Because
that?
I didn't take her. I don't know what she's talking about.
So I order you to do something. This is not about her right now. I order you to do something. You just decide on your own. I'm not going to do it.
I don't think I'm the father, so I don't have to take the DNA test.
Well, if you don't think you're the father, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and take the DNA test?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all this long process. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so I don't have time to sit back.
Well, how busy are you? What do you do?
I'm a waiter.
Oh.
And I'm a full-time student.
Oh, okay.
He stood before the judge with no answers and no test results. Blamed being a student and a waiter, but the judge isn't buying it. If he's so confident he's not the father, why avoid the test? His excuses fall flat. Then the judge says something that sends shockwaves through the room. You won't believe her next move.
I don't have time for the games and all this testing, DNA testing, all that. I don't have time for it.
All right, so you work every day as a waiter?
Yes.
Did you bring anything today to show that you're waiting tables? Any type of financial information?
I ain't bringing that.
Oh, so you didn't care about that either. So did you bring anything to show that you're enrolled as a full-time student?
No, I ain't bringing that.
So you just came to court unprepared today and you just think I should go along with that, right?
If that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
He brought no documentation, no pay stubs, no school papers, nothing. Just excuses. The judge asked for basic proof but got nothing back. I didn't have time, won't cut it in this courtroom. And when she speaks next, he's completely blindsided. This case is no longer about delays. It's about accountability. And the judge takes full control.
I think I should go along with that, right?
If that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
When did you start working as a waiter?
About 4 months ago.
What did you do 4 months ago?
I had a full-time job working as a consultant.
All right. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
Hold on. How did you say your baby was?
5 months.
5 months. And you just stopped working there 4 months ago?
Yeah, they had some layoffs. I kind of thought that they were going to start laying some people off, so I decided to go ahead and quit.
So you quit? You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
I just...
The child is 5 months old, and he quit his high-paying job 4 months ago. Coincidence? The judge doesn't think so. She connects the dots. Did he walk away from $63,000 a year just to dodge child support? When asked directly, his answer only digs the hole deeper. It's looking worse by the minute.
You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
I just...
Are you sure about that? Because it's mighty funny that this child is 5 months old and you just stopped working that job 4 months ago. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
$63,000 a year? And you're making how much as a waiter?
I did it because I'm a student, so I'll probably make around $15 an
Oh
hour.
no, you came here to waste my time. You obviously came here to waste my time today. I am not going to place you on child support for $15 an hour, and you just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
From a solid income to a student waiter, the judge isn't fooled. The timing looks like a setup. She questions the story, the math, and his motives. Every detail feels suspicious. Her words hit hard. He didn't just lose credibility. He triggered the court to act fast. And what comes next? It's only getting more serious.
You just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
I mean, I think it's crazy that you using my $63,000 income. I don't even work there no more.
You don't have to work there, but it sounds like you intentionally stopped working there because you thought she was going to put you on child support. So you just disappeared on her?
I'm not the father. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm at work.
But we don't know that you're not the father because I ordered you to go and get DNA testing. So we could have found that out today. But you know what? We don't have to do it. You know why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it.
No DNA test. No problem. The judge makes the call. He's the legal father. She's done waiting. The excuses are over. His attempt to dodge the process backfired. The courtroom falls silent as she takes control of his future. Avoiding...
Why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it. That's what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, who carries health insurance? Well, never mind. That was a bad question.
Yeah, it's me.
You carry health insurance.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much is it?
$750.
$750. Does that include you and the child?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is split that in half because child support, his obligation, he's only responsible to pay health insurance for the child only. Okay? So based on $63,000 a year, I have your monthly gross at $5,250.
He tried to talk his way out, but the judge isn't having it. She's breaking down the numbers. Income, insurance, and responsibility. Everything gets calculated. She sets a firm payment plan, locking him into the system. There's no escape now. What comes next is going to hurt, and it's all on the record.
I have your monthly gross at $5,250. That brings your net to $4,226.99. How many other children you have? No other children? Well, I hope not. I hope you're not ghosting on them either, because that's exactly what you did to her. So I have your monthly child support obligation at $845 plus $375, which is half of that $750 for health insurance for the child. Your monthly obligation is $1,220.
One child, no other kids. Yet he ghosted this mother and baby. The judge isn't letting him walk away. She calculates child support down to the last cent, $845 monthly, plus half the insurance, totaling $1,220. His shocked face says it all. And when he tries to argue, she's already got the fallout ready.
The monthly obligation is $1,220. And I'm ordering you to do that. And you don't have any control over that because that goes through a state agency and it'll just withhold
I'll
from
just
you.
go ahead and just submit my W-2s whenever I get them. I'll come back.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But today, this is what we're doing. Since you came in here unprepared and not caring about anything, you don't care about that $1,220 either then, right?
I guess so. We'll get up there. I'm not tripping.
Okay, well, we can do that at a later date. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't got it.
Okay, do you have any other questions? Okay, if nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Game over. The judge locks in $1,220 through the state. No more debates. No delays. He tried to run from responsibility, but the court caught him. This is justice in action. If this story hit home, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns that reveal the raw truth.